One of the best ways to disinfect items in your kitchen is by using a lemon. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use lemon to clean your cutting board. Sizzle, serve, yum. First of all, lemon is very cheap, very easy to use. You're going to take this lemon and you're going to rub it all over your cutting board. And using this lemon is going to remove smells, it's going to remove stains, and also all you've got to do after you've coated it with the lemon, 1 to 2 drops of soap, rinse it off really well, and then you're going to dry it thoroughly with a cotton real absorbent cloth, and then you're going to place it in a cool, dry area. Place it away from toasters and cold areas. Placing your board in a cool area will help elongate your board's life. Go to our next playlist where we have the tried and true hacks for you, which is the Lemon Power playlist. And of course, be sure to like and subscribe our videos so you won't miss out on any of these hacks.